What's up guys, it's Michael and welcome to Trading Like Magic. And today is August 27, 2021 and we are on greed. CoinGecko today, Bitcoin flat, Ethereum flat, Cardano is 5.7% up and mostly flat today. Solana is 16.7% up. Terra is 15.7% up. And looks like it's the market is doing flat today despite it's Friday. So top gainers of the day, AR 19% up. Solana is 16.7% up. SafeMoon is 15.8% up. Terra is 15.7% up. And HNT, DAG, Cardano is 5.7% up today. And the top gainers of the week, it's SafeMoon, 58.6% up. Doge, 50.4% up. AVAX, 44.6% up. Bitcoin Cash, 31.1% up. IOST, 38.4% up. Ooh, Altcoin is doing good, 25.7% up. ENJ, 21.6% up. Cardano is 19.2% up. And top losers of the week, we have Audio 25% down, Sushi 16.5% down, X Sushi 16.1% down, Shiba is 13.9% down, and ICP is 13.3% down. Doge is 12.2% down. Clay, XDC, Compound, Sama. Okay, Audio. And guys, before we go to the chart, if you can like and share my videos, that would be appreciated. It helps the algorithm. Crypto index on the daily chart, there's a resistance here and it created a wedge. On the 4-hour chart, we see this rising expanding wedge, and there's another expanding wedge inside the wedge, and my count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like we have a truncated fifth wave. But right now it's creating a channel here, descending channel. So this is a bullish pattern. So let's see. Bitcoin on the monthly chart, I see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are still on the bull run. We are now on the fifth wave and our target would be the all-time high. And Ethereum on the monthly chart, similar to Bitcoin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We already reached the golden ratio, which is 0.618, and we are now on the fifth leg. So our target would be the all-time high. So as you can see, we are still on the bull run. So don't worry about it. If you're doing dollar cost averaging, that's great. Ethereum versus Bitcoin, I actually posted this one last August 12. It went up a bit but it went down again. So this is my post. So right now it's creating a flag formation. So let's see. Dogecoin on the 4-hour chart, I see this ascending channel and there's also a head and shoulders pattern here, and our count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually there's an overlap of wave 1 and wave 4. This is technically incorrect, but sometimes it happens. So the price went up. Now we're doing for an ABC. Let's see if the price will reach somewhere here at 23 cents. Shiba, let's see if the price will go to this support here. Back to Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart, we see this ascending channel. So our count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's see if the price will go for a correction. ABC. And Ethereum on the 4-hour chart, I see a rising expanding wedge, and we're predicting the price to go for a correction, ABC. And yesterday we see a head and shoulders pattern. It went down but it went up again. So let's monitor the price for now. For sure there's a resistance somewhere here. We have a double tap already here. Okay guys, that's it for now. And don't forget to like and share my videos. And happy weekend and take care guys. Bye bye.